What's going on, everyone? This is Sovereign Jared Kwan. Today we are going to open up packs for a display of the new Legendary Collection 25th anniversary. So, let's take a look. Everyone knows the cards, so we're only going to take a look at the last one. And our first 25th is a Red Eyes. And for those who don't remember, you've got Slifer, Raw, Obelisk, Blue Eyes, Dark Magician, and Red Eyes. Fix this just a hair. There. Hopefully that works out better. Well, we already know who that is. Yeah. If anyone else has opened these, let me know if the Starlights are some sort of, I'm guessing it's one God card per display. If anyone else has opened these, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know if it's one God card per display. Let's see. Another Red Eyes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, Dark Magician. That's nice. Centering's a bit off from the looks of it, but still nice nonetheless. Let's hope this one's a Blue Eyes, so we at least get the three regular non-God card ones. And it's another Red Eyes. Okay. These all in a pack. Put those over here. Up there. So we're going to start with the Metal Raiders packs. Big Eye, Blade Fly. It's great to see some old legacy cards come back. I'm not sure how the value is going to be on them. Champagne, Muka Muka, Faith, Shard Rising. Solis, Oshiningen. Eagle, Harvey Lady, Witch's Apprentice. Is that the new art? Harvey Lady? Yep, that's the reissue art. Steel Scorpion, Dark Elf, and Dragon. Alright. That is it for Metal Raiders. Let's move on to Spell Ruler. Burgers. We might actually get a holo this set. And it is Messenger of Peace. The first non-guaranteed holo. Flying Kamakiri. Oh, Painful Choice. That's nice. Didn't expect to see that. Oh, we're going to take out Giant Rat. Alright, Roar of Light. Spear Cretin. Hero Shadow. Good night. Rest. Flying Kamakiri #1 again. And Upstart Goblin. Shining Angel. Alright. That's it for the Metal Raiders. We get 2 holos out of the Metal Raiders. For choice of Messenger of Peace. Let's start with the Pharaoh Servant. Okay. As Idol, Prohibition. Shell Grave. It's a nice old. Ooh. All right. Skull Invitation. Let's see. Inspection. Skull Invitation again. All right, let's pack a Pharaoh Servant. Gust, Gravity Bind, Invitation, Kamakiri number 2. Alright, no holos out of that. So let's begin with Dark Crisis. Tsukuyomi, Kinken Dog, Contract with Exodia. Oh, no, Jamba Green. More boost. Shot Archie. There you go. Ooh, a skill drain. Standing Dog Marin. Trainer, Fiend Soldier. Ooh, look at that. An ultra rare cost down. That's awesome. Alright. Great Magic Garzet. Oh, countdown. Shadow Knight, Infernal Queen. Shout out to his arc. Alright. She got some pretty decent stuff out of this one. Skill Drain being one of them, along with the cost down. So that's nice. Alright, we're going to move on to Invasion of Chaos. We're going to save the LOB for last. Steel's Bird, Shot Man, Dawn Turtle. Curse of Darkness. Now this will be the only time I actually open up this set. So, Fairy. Taza Zephyr. Ooh, that's interesting. I haven't seen this card. This is actually one of the few secret rares I actually pulled when I was younger. An Invader of Darkness. Alright. Ooh, a Jama Black. Burning Algae. The Kunga. Oh, wow. A Leviathan Dragon Daedalus. This is actually one of my all-time favorite cards when I was growing up. That's actually wonderful to see. So I could have gotten more of the Invasion of Chaos than anything else so far. Secret Rare and Ultra Rare. Jama Yellow. Wonderful. Lives, Destruction, Yellow Luster Shield. Alright, last pack of Invasion of Chaos. Chaos Sorcerer, Destruction Ring, and that's it. That is actually 2 wonderful pulls out of the Invasion Chaos for this display. That's wonderful. Alright, on to the Coup de Grace. Legend of Blue Eyes packs. Tiger, Flower Wolf. Alright, Dissolve Rock. Final Flame. Newly. Servo. Ooh, Pot of Greed. It's definitely a keeper card. Simply because it is an LB. Alright. Enchanting Mermaid. And Warrior. Dragoness. Alright, last Blue Eyes White Dragon pack. Let's see. That's our 5th card. Hane and Firegrass. That is it for this display. Hope everyone had a great time. I'll catch you in the next one.